This problem is for white to play. The main concern here is eye space. If white tries to increase eye space like this, then black will just reduce white's eye space, and this will not be enough. Or if white tries the left side, like this will also not be enough. So when increasing eye space doesn't work, white will have to try to start a ko. The best way to start a ko in this situation is to play the bend here and the double bend or the double hane. So now white is threatening to capture black's number 2. So if black plays here, then now white can increase its eye space like this. If black plays here, then white will be able to live like this. But of course, pretty obviously, white has a weakness in this cutting point. Right? If white connects, then white will be dead. But here, you can start a ko this way. And this is the correct answer to this problem. Black captures first. If black wins, of course, white will be dead like this. If white wins, then white will have a living shape. Of course, black's number 4 can also play the atari, and white will just have to start the ko earlier, like this. And you might say black has a local ko threat, right? By extending here, white cannot end the ko like this, because white will still be dead. So white must answer like this, and now black can capture. So black has a local ko threat, both in this variation and in the previous variation as well. The way to start this ko, I think, should be the main takeaway here on the second line and the first line. And this is commonly used when one side does not have enough eye space to live. You place the double hane on the side, especially here in the corner, and then hoping the opponent cuts here, and then you can start a ko and have a chance to live. Thank you for watching.